Yeah, but don't go under my truck. It's gonna go under my truck.
That's gotta hurt. Stop chewing on that. That'll be crazy.
Just hold on, Nelly. Just stay out of that circle.
Yep.
I can't.
Well, she stinks.
No. Got her okay? I think so. Okay, wait. Yep. Okay. Give me that stick. I'll swap you. I feel better with the stick. Yeah.
There she goes. All right, folks, John Owens here. It's north in the state of Wisconsin. We got a nice bobcat in the trap. Actually filled my tag a couple of days ago, so we're going to let this one go. I'm going to go ahead and get her out of the trap. With some help from my assistant. Don't pull on this at all. Come over here away from the tag. Just touch the handle. Don't pull on anything on the tip. Hold it down at the top. Okay. Hold it right there. Don't let up. No matter what. You gotta use two hands and hold it down tough. Hold it down. Back up. Where it gets out. Hold it down. I got it. Oh, it's good. Go on the other side of the camera. They have a tendency to hold the judge. It just takes a minute to realize that they're actually free. Go on. I'll throw the catch pole at her. She's mildly upset, this one. Go on, run off. You're good to go. Run away.